Okay, orange squirrels. Here we are on lesson 1.6. We're still working on the standard understand place value. Our lesson title is Algebra, Different Names for Numbers. The essential question is, how can you show the value of a number in different ways? So that's what we're going to be learning today. Listen and draw. Use place value models to show the number. Make trades to show the number in a different way. Record the tens and ones. So go ahead and grab place value models. Or another option that might be easier than making trades would be to use Unifix cubes. So I'm going to go grab some of those. You guys can pause the video and do the same. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the number. Well, let's look at this. It says Drew has 26 pennies. What are some different ways he can show 26 with blocks? So I'm going to use my Unifix cubes. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26. The first part's easy. How many tens? 2 tens. How many ones? 6 ones. Now, 1 10 is actually just 10 ones that we're talking about all together. But we don't have to talk about them all together. We could split it up like this. Now, how many whole tens do we still have? We just have 1 whole 10. How many ones do we have? Well, we know that we just broke apart 10. So we know that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or you might just know that 10 and 6, boom, that's 16. So we have 1 10, 16 ones. Now we broke apart 1 10. Can we break apart the other? Sure we can. Go ahead and do it. And then tell me how many tens, whole tens that is, and how many ones you have. Write it down. Pause the video. Okay, let's take a look. How many whole tens do you have? None at all. How many ones? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Which makes sense because we had 26 to begin with, and if they're all broken up, we must still have 26 even if they are broken up. Okay, let's shove these off, and let's look at the next page. Now, here what they've done is they've done the breaking up for you. It looks a little confusing, but you see where this 28 is? And then there are 3, and then there's 35, and there's a set of 3. Each time, it's the same number, just broken up 3 different ways. So let's look at the sample at the top. These are some different ways to show 32. The way you're used to, 3 tens, 2 ones, 30 plus 2. Or here, check on something. Okay, good. We have 2 tens, and we broke up one of our tens, so we have 10, 11, 12. So we've got 20 plus 12, 2 tens, 12 ones, 20 plus 12. Or breaking up all but 1, 1 10, 22 ones, 10 plus 22. So really, all you have to do for this is just look at the picture and write down what you see. 28. All of these are different ways of making the number 28. How many tens do we have here? 2. How many ones? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, 2 tens is not, careful, it is not 2 plus 8. 2 tens is what? Write it down and check. 20. 20 plus 8. All right, how many tens? 1 10, be careful, it's not 10 tens. 1 10, how many ones? When you see them stacked like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's always 5. So you can count by 5s and then count on if it will make it faster for you. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 ones. 1 10 is worth how much? 10 plus, and then you just write the 18. You don't have to split it up again. I know it gets a little confusing there. Okay, let's look here. Do we have any whole tens? Nope. So that was easy. Now, count to find out how many ones there are, or you can just think, well, if it's all ones and I started with 28, then how many ones must I have? Count, write it down, and check. 28 ones. Okay, now 0 tens is worth how much? That's right, it's plain old 0 plus what? 28. Okay, go ahead and try the next problems on your own, and I will meet with you in a few minutes. Good luck.